Hey ladies and gentlemen, Jackie is here to introduce fancy stuff again. This time, let's have a look at this submarine. Withdraw this and put this into here. Push this key to turn on the controller. Have a look. Okay, it will go underwater. Oh, what's wrong? What's wrong with it? It does not receive signals when it is in water. Really? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, I forget one thing. There is an antenna. Screw this into here and draw it. Let's try again. Well, it moves. Go back, go forward, go forward, go forward, go forward, back, go underwater, go back, underwater, go, 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 go. Turn around, turn around. It's cold water. Go forward with all strength. Is it fantastic? You can put it into a pool to have a try. That's all. By the way, this submarine has to be charged before it can work. This is the charger, which contains 6 batteries. This is the cable.
这是潜水艇吗？
Put it into here. Press this button and you can charge. Okay.